My name is Dennis, and I'm going to walk you through our progress billing module of Master Builder. In accounts receivable, there's several ways to bill. Progress billing is one of the predominant ways that our general contractors and some of our subcontractors will bill. Should look similar. A lot of you are probably doing this in Excel today or in Word. Here is your description and cost code. Here's the schedule of values that you agreed to upon starting the project, and in this column, there's a change order for $2,800. You can see here, this is my contract amount. This is what we billed before previously. On this job, there is no retention, so that is blank. And here's where I have percent complete. And as you can see in the previous billing, I just entered percent completes to bill rather than entering amount, which I could do. Most people do just like the even percentages, and so they'll either be 50, 60, 70, 100% complete. At this point, this bill is ready to print. I just want to run you through that. I assume that most of you are required or are using the AIA type of form, which is what I'm going to show you. This should look similar with the certification of work on the front, the recap on the front, and then the details behind by detail. Now I can do it that way, or I can actually round it. Again, a master builder, you're going to find that you have lots of choices. And this one here is going to have rounded amounts on my here. So that is that. The nice part is if you're doing it in Excel today, there's a couple things you're probably having to kind of jump through hoops to do, and Master Builder is going to handle that for you. One of the options here is to submit this application. We're going to submit it, we're going to print it, submit it, put it into a submitted stage. If the owner takes it face value and says, yes, that's good, you're approved, this would then be black, and we would post that application, which would actually create the invoice. And once that's done, the next step, it depends on your billing cycle, but 3-4 weeks later, we come in and create the next application. What that's going to do is it's going to bring everything in from your previous column into your current column into your previous column, so you're not having to manually do that as you probably are with Excel, so the math is going to be right. The other really important feature here in the progress, which ours has and a lot of other systems do not have, is I have an opportunity here not to have to scrounge through people's files or to call people and ask what change order has been approved. Since we're doing change orders within Master Builder, we go out and it's going to pull in all of the approved change orders that have been approved since the last time we did a progress billing for this project and add here automatically. And like you can see here, it's going to ask you, do you want me to add these to existing lines or append as new lines? And so if it has a cost code of 7200, it would add it here in the change order column for line number 8 right here. And so the good part here is you don't have to remember or go searching for what change orders to build. The system's going to know what's been approved and has approved status that has yet to be built and added there automatically. So anyway, that is pretty much in a nutshell progress billings. We can change. A lot of times we get a question, but my owner really requires a special form. Well, all of these forms are modifiable. The owner will probably not be able to tell the difference between the one coming out of Master Builder and the one that he sent you originally, whether it be in Word or in Excel. We can mimic just about anything that's out there to look the same so that you don't have to go out and have to do these by hand, that we can have the system do them and run them all the way through the system. Anyway, that's progress billings. It's kind of quick, but there's not much to progress billings, except if you're doing them the long, hard way and by hand, they are tedious, where we kind of expedite and put a lot of those pieces into order so you don't have to worry about them. And hope you enjoyed this. If there's questions, just as you know, you can call us at any time to have those questions answered. Thank you.